Yes.
Attention of the House is drawn as regards to the people of Sattari who have inherited and are holding rights to Alwara grant of lands which were given to them by the Portuguese government, and they are still not the rightful owners even after a century. चडशे सगळे मॅक्सिमम लँड जे होल्डर्स आसा सत्तरी भागान दे आर ऑल अल्वारा लँड होल्डर्स आणि आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा दॅट दीस वॉज गिवन बाय द पोर्चुगीज इतले वर्सां पयलीं फॉर एग्रीकल्चरल पर्पसीस. आणि आतां आफ्टर पोर्चुगीज गेले बट गोवा डमन अँड ड्यू 1965 ॲक्ट पण the laws are still not very clear, the title holder is still not very clear, and the landholders are in a state of legal uncertainty. 11 December 2017 cabinet meeting जाऊन again there was a land revenue reforms आणि decide केलें की provision करपाचें regularize करपाक अल्वारा land holdersंक आणि against a fixed amount. सो एटलिस्ट हांव गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन मागता की आमचे 2000 तरी एप्लिकेशनां पेंडींग आसा for regularization. Class 2, government has fixed a rate of 5 rupees. But all these applications are pending either with the collector, under secretary or secretary revenue.
Yes.
Last 2-3 वर्सां जालीं हांव follow up करता. Either for deed of succession, नाल्यार inventory proceedings. 2 मिनटां speaker sir. कित्याक birth certificate मागता, death certificate मागता, but इतले वर्सां पयलीं आमच्या भागान registration जायना आशिल्लें.
Speaker sir, I assure the honourable member we will look into it.